So I installed this and this one together and also the main screen, but this port looks like doesn't work. Let me try to remove it. So nothing changed, you see. But when I plug this one and this is here, okay, I think this will be turned on now. Yes, yeah, it works. But then let's try to plug in this one. Let's see. Nothing. Yeah, HDMI signal. So when I remove this one and just keep this one again, you'll see. Okay. No signal. Looks like this port doesn't work. The second port. So, but this screen, when I plug in here, the same cable, same thing. Yeah. Plug in here. Sorry. Should work. Doesn't work again. Maybe. Yeah, should work. Yeah, it should work now. Okay. So that means this port doesn't work. So I tried this screen to the, you see, when I plug here, it doesn't work. Just the one screen, let's see. Just want to see. You see, it doesn't show the screen here. So no HDMI. So pretty much this port doesn't work. I don't know what should I do. So if you have any suggestion. So I plugged the first one, it will work now. Yeah, it works. But if I put this port, okay. Nothing. Doesn't work. So this, or I can see here. No, it's changed.